Create your very own zebra hat. Download and print our template or draw your own on card. For this craft you will need zebra hat template including zebra mask, black and white paper scraps or fabric scraps, a strip of black and white fabric, black felt tip or crayon, glue and scissors. Cut out your zebra template including mask, mane and headband. Colour in your zebra mask using black felt tip or crayon. Stick your headband together and stick your zebra mask in the centre. To decorate, collage your headband either side of your zebra mask using black and white fabric or paper scraps and glue. Measure your headband around your head and secure in place, then put to one side. Get your zebra mane and colour in your zebra stripes with a black felt tip or crayon. Now carefully cut small slits down either side, folding the slits up to create your zebra's mane. Fold and glue the end tabs of your mane and attach in an arch shape to the inside of your headband. Finally, get your long strip of black and white fabric and attach onto the back of your headband to make your zebra's tail. Your zebra hat is now ready to wear. Trick trot!